Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here is an American lock company hardened steel series 747. I suspect this is the biggest American lock out there in terms of its model, but do you know what? If you know of a bigger one, I would love to know about it. But yeah, this is a weighty beast. It's it's really nice as well. The closed shackle. It's got this. I see these on some Federal locks as well, but this is probably earlier than that. You can see how this is a dovetailed. God, almost forgot. And I imagine that all of this is hardened steel body, hardened steel sort of slide here. It's anti-pull. It's got some anti-drill bits in there as well. So it's a really high security lock. And this is actually owned, probably wasn't at the time, by the company who make Master Lock. But they, that company who owns Master Lock can make locks like this, or at least used to be able to. But yeah, this is a very, very cool lock, and yeah, very nice of my friend Yukov to lend it to me, because I love American locks, and I think we should have a go at picking it, and if we can pick it, well, we've got half a chance of gutting it. So we are in the vise. Here's that key. Let's just check it works. Yeah, lovely. A bit stiff actually, but we'll get by, I hope. We've got a 1.3mm top of the keyway turner, which just about goes in. We'll get some tension on there. Then we'll go in with my pick and see what I can feel. I think it's a pin 6 at the back, little clicks. Nothing on 5. Little click there on 5. 4. If I'm not happy, I will just back the tension off and try again. There go 4. 2 there, and nothing on 1. Back to the back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to 6 again, no. 5, no. Those clicks on the blue pin 4, 3 there. 2. Any more on 2? No, feels solid. So back to 6 feels fine. 5 feels good. 4 feels pretty good. 3, 2 little click. Oh, into a bit of a false set. Tiny click on 1. I feel that that's now set. I don't want to touch that anymore. Back to 6. 5. I don't know whether that is set, that pin 4 there. I'm very nervous to force it because it'll probably O-set at this point. So let's try 2. Okay, so we're going to have to be loosening the tension a little bit. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice click. Back through. Again, don't want to overset anything because that will be the worst thing to do at this point. Okay, a nice click on 3 there. And 2. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, and we got it. But it's very. Can you hear how stiff that is? Hear how stiff that is? That's crazy. Oof. So yeah, I think it might have been picked a bit earlier, but that shackle is spring is just shackle spring. The core spring is just way too stiff on that. So yep. Well, it's open now. So let's see how we take this apart. Now I believe that you have to take the shackle out first. There we go. And do I turn it around this way or just pull? I can't, oh no, it's a pin. Got the pin, and then I should be able to rotate this to a position. I don't know which position. and take the shackle out at that point, I believe. Because that pin was retaining the shackle, and now that that's taken out, there shouldn't be anything to stop me. Unless maybe it's because I need to use a key to open it up, or do I lock it? So that's closed, that's open. We got it, right, so we've got that out. Then there's a spring, and then there should be a retaining pin that comes out following the spring. I'll take the spring out, retract the ball bearings, there we go, that's a spring. And then there you go, one of the locking ball bearings, and then this, I guess it's a piece of hardened steel, which should let me, we can take this dovetail piece out, there we go, look at that. And then the slightly greasy plug should be able to come out, which I might take out with a hook. Oh, wow. I don't believe it's held in by any screws or anything. So it just needs to be popped out. Yeah, it's pretty gross in there. But we got it. I don't need the body anymore, but I'll put it over here. And then, oh, that is interesting. Are these little pins? You can't push these down. So that, look how greasy it is. That's a shame. I could show I can't even show you the key pins because they won't rotate round all that way. It looks like these little, can you see these little nubs on the tailpiece there? I've never seen that before in my life on an American lock. And I don't know how you go about taking those out without damaging them. And since it's on loan, I would be like grabbing them and tearing at them with pliers and then not be able to get them back in. That would be pretty awful. If I take the key out, I don't think there's an easy way to get at these. I can see the end of one. Can I push on it? Or is it like, no, I think these have been like hammered in. Getting these out would be difficult. I'm just not willing to do it, but you've seen the insides of American locks. These felt like serrations and spools, as you'd expect, but yeah, that's a bit of a shame. I really wanted to gut this for you. The smell of old grease is quite overpowering, actually. But yeah, still, nevertheless, a very, very cool lock, isn't it? What a great lock. And, well, I'm sorry I couldn't gut it, but I still hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Hit that like button if you want to help me out. And, of course, stay safe, happy picking. I'll see you all next time.